Tudor Pelagos FXD Chrono Cycling Edition watch. Main features are case size 43mm black carbon composite case with matte finish. Lugs is 22mm lug width. Case thickness is 13.2 m. Movement manufacturer caliber EMT 5813. COSC. Self-winding mechanical movement with bidirectional rotor system. Dial is black. Matte, red accents on the chronograph counters and tachymeter scale. Titanium screw-down crown with the Tudor shield in relief. Power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Single piece, black fabric strap. Domed sapphire crystal. Bezel, 60-minute scale. Fixed. Water resistance is to 100 meters or 330 feet. Bracelet is single piece black fabric strap. Reference number is M25827KN1.